that pink purse, so I'm going to get that. Okay, so I'm just going to put the money in, or pretend money. Then it's, the code is A19. So, okay, so wait, sorry. So, yeah, okay, well, I have my beautiful pink purse. I'm gonna get something now. I want those red heels. Here's the money. C40. C40. And I just gotta grind in the crank. I hope these high heels fit. My pair of high heels. Thank you. And don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Rate thumbs up. And if you comment, you may get a possible shout out. Bye, YouTube. See you on the next video. Hey guys, it's Megan, and I'm going to give you a review on the Barbie machine. The Barbie machine. The Barbie, thing. I forgot the name, so. Okay, first we start here. I'm just going to lift that bucket. And there's gem buttons. There's gems for buttons right here. Okay. So, here is A, B, C, D, E. Then this goes up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 0. So up here it says Barbie. As you can see, okay, here's a close-up. So you can see it. So here it has a B and some Barbie heads. Okay, and if you want it, let's say that Barbie wanted those silver shields, and the doll wanted the silver heels inside the shoes. We would just turn the crank right here. I'll show you that. Okay, then there's the crank, there's the gem right here. Okay, so then you would crank it. Okay, so I'm just going to try to do this. Sorry. Can't really look. And then up here you see, up here is like a pillow or something. There's another drawer. And then you pull this lever. You pull this lever here. And then it would send the shoes down here. Now here is your shoes. So don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and rate thumbs up, and comment, and if you comment, you may get a possible shout out. So bye, YouTube. See you on the next video.